Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today is Friday, March 6th, 2026 at 12:33. And today we have our day 2 outlook to look at for tomorrow. So, tomorrow's day 2 outlook, we have a slight risk that encompasses parts of central to eastern Texas, central to northern Louisiana, southern Arkansas, and central Mississippi, as well as extreme western Alabama. We have another slight risk that encompasses parts of northeastern Kentucky, western and central West Virginia, eastern and central Ohio, western and central Pennsylvania, sort of, and parts of western Maryland and parts of western New York. We have a marginal risk that encompasses parts of Texas, into parts of southern Louisiana, southern Mississippi, much of Alabama, all of Tennessee, parts of north and central Georgia, western South Carolina, western North Carolina, parts of western Virginia, eastern West Virginia, parts of western and central Maryland, going through central Pennsylvania, including my area, parts of central New York, going back through parts of southeastern Michigan, west and central Ohio, southern and central Indiana, most of Kentucky, southern Illinois, eastern Missouri, parts of central Arkansas, parts of southeastern Oklahoma, and parts of central Texas. So we do have those areas under a marginal risk. So let's see what we've got here. We have Houston, San Antonio, Dallas, Columbus, and Austin under the slight, and Detroit, Indianapolis, Memphis, Nashville, and New Orleans under the marginal. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have a 2% tornado threat encompassing parts of eastern Texas, central and northern Louisiana, parts of southeastern to eastern Arkansas, central Mississippi and northern Mississippi, northwestern Alabama, and parts of western and middle Tennessee. We have another 2% that encompasses parts of northern Kentucky, parts of southern, eastern, and central Ohio, central West Virginia, and western into central Pennsylvania, western Maryland, and parts of southwestern New York State. So we do have those areas under a 2% tornado threat for tomorrow. So we have Columbus, Memphis, Nashville, Pittsburgh, and Cincinnati under the 2%. So we could see we do not have a intensity scale for tomorrow for tornado, so we could just see a brief EF0 tornado possible tomorrow in the 2% areas. Going into the wind threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% that encompasses parts of eastern Texas, central and northern Louisiana, southeastern and eastern Arkansas, central Mississippi, and extreme western Alabama. We have another 15% that encompasses parts of northeastern Kentucky, western and west central West Virginia, parts of eastern and central Ohio, western and central Pennsylvania, parts of western Maryland, and southwestern to western New York State. We have a 5% that encompasses much of central Texas, southern Louisiana, southern Mississippi, much of Alabama, extreme western Florida, all of Tennessee, north and central Georgia, western South Carolina, western North Carolina, western Virginia, eastern West Virginia, western and central Maryland, central Pennsylvania, including my area, parts of western and central New York State, going into southeastern Michigan, northwestern and central Ohio, southern and central Indiana, southern Illinois, most of Kentucky, all of Tennessee, eastern Missouri, central Arkansas, southeastern Oklahoma, and back into central Texas. So we do have those areas under a 5% wind risk. So we have Columbus, Cleveland, Pittsburgh, Buffalo, and Akron under the 15%, and New York, Houston, Philadelphia, San Antonio, and Dallas under the 5%. So for the 15% area, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible, and for the 5%, we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible in any storm that may form tomorrow. Going into the hail threat for tomorrow, we have a 15% that encompasses much of central Texas, as well as a 15% hatched parts of southwestern Arkansas and western Louisiana. And we have a 5% that encompasses parts of central Texas, going into central and southern and northern Louisiana, all of Mississippi. Oh, there we go with the reset. Southeastern Oklahoma, central and southern, as well as eastern Arkansas, western Alabama, western Tennessee, eastern Missouri, western Kentucky, southern Illinois, southern Indiana, much of Ohio, northwestern West Virginia, and western Pennsylvania, and extreme southeastern New York State under the 5%. So we do have those areas for that. So we do have a level 1 hail threat for the central Texas tomorrow. We have San Antonio, Dallas, Austin, Fort Worth, and Arlington under the significant severe. We have Houston, San Antonio, Dallas, Austin, and Fort Worth under the 15%, and Indianapolis, Columbus, Memphis, Cleveland, and Pittsburgh under the 5%. So for the 15% area, we could see 1 to 3 inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. Basically, that including the hail threat for areas in the 1% dashed area. And for the 5%, we could see 1 to 2 inch diameter hail possible tomorrow. So please be mindful of that tomorrow. Going into the summer for tomorrow, it says isolated to scattered severe thunderstorms are likely from Saturday morning into the evening across a broad swath of the southern Great Plains to the lower Great Lakes. Isolated very large hail should occur over parts of Texas centered on the south-central vicinity. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. There's tomorrow's hail risk. There's tomorrow's wind risk. There's tomorrow's tornado risk. And there's tomorrow's day 2 outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe tomorrow. Yes, even if you are in the marginal risk, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginal. Anyway, but of course, especially stay safe in this light. I really do hope that you have a great rest of your day today. Take today to prepare for tomorrow, and we will see you. I'll see you tomorrow morning to go over this outlook again when it becomes day 1. In the meantime, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.